I never get tired of watching this.
It's like 2 front row seats at a circus.
You work in Foley, too.
Yes, well, I'm more meticulous about my work. Thank you again for giving me this opportunity. I really appreciate it.
Sure. We're planning on doing the bulk of the recording here. Fully soundproof, latest recording equipment, and a full team at your disposal. Why don't I go down and introduce you?
That's very kind of you, but if it's all the same, I'd prefer to just work from home. You see, I believe it provides more authentic sound.
Well, I've heard good things about you. Sure, a little rough around the edges, hard to get along with, but apparently you're worth it. But you're in the big leagues now. Just don't fuck it up, for both our sakes.
You will not be disappointed. Tyler Douglas.
Do I know you?
I'm Steven. We used to go to high school together.
Oh my god. Oh shit, yeah.
How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing all right.
Good.
So, this is what you're up to now, huh?
Yeah, work is work. Gets
Yeah.
the bills paid.
It is what you make of it, right?
Yeah.
I work in Foley, actually.
What's up?
Well, to put it simply, I create artificial sounds to be used in motion pictures.
That's cool, man. Your total's $56.75.
It actually reminds me, I'm looking for an assistant right now. If that's something that might interest you or not?
With your little sounds.
Well, it's more than that, but yes.
I appreciate the offer, but no thank you.
I'll pay you twice whatever you make here.
You make that kind of money with sounds?
Pays well, but it's more about the art. I'm sorry. You wouldn't understand. Now that I get a good look at you, I think working the register suits you. I'll see you around, Tyler. Have a good one.
Wait a second. You're telling me if I work for you, you'll pay me double than what I make?
Well, I'm always serious when it comes to my work, Tyler.
What do I have to do?
We'll discuss it over dinner. Why don't you come to my place?
Hello? Steven?
Tyler, you're late.
Yeah, my bad. The tea was down. I'm sorry.
What's 13 minutes between a couple of old friends, huh? Come on up. I'll buzz you in.
All right, thank you.
I'm sorry I didn't bring a resume or anything, man.
You don't seem to be taking this very seriously, Tyler. What else is new?
Excuse me?
I'm just teasing you. Please, have a drink.
I'm not really in the mood to drink.
Don't be a bad guest, Tyler. Better?
Yeah. Can we talk about the job now?
The job?
Yeah, your assistant thing.
Tyler, this isn't an interview. We're here to relax and have some dinner. So, what else have you been up to lately?
Look, I didn't come here to hang out with you, man.
No, of course you didn't. You came here because you need something from me. You need my money.
No, I don't need your money. You needed me, did you not?
What exactly can you provide me that I'm in such need of?
Plenty of stuff.
Such as?
I don't know. You tell me. You were the one that wanted me here, did you not? I don't need to explain myself to you.
Of course you don't. No, what you need is much more severe. You need determination, ambition. I mean, just look at what you've done with yourself so far. The big bad Tyler Douglas working the cash register. How interesting.
You know what? Fuck you. And your stupid fucking job.
Well, guess what, Tyler? There is no job.
What?
There's no job, I made it up.
Why?
How else was I supposed to get you to have dinner with me in the first place? You never would have hung out with me during high school. Why would today be any different?
You're meaning to tell me that you invited me here because you wanted to have dinner with me because we weren't friends in high school? You're still a fucking loser.
No. No, I'm motivated. You know what my father used to tell me when I was younger? If you're gonna do something, you're gonna do it well.
With what, your little sound?
It's more than that.
Whatever, man.
Sit down. You've been asking the wrong questions. Instead of wondering what job I may or may not have for you, you should have been wondering whatever the hell I put in that drink of yours. No, Tyler, the rug, please. Where are you going?
Steve, what's happening? What are you doing? Answer me, you freak!
Tyler. Keep quiet.
Please, man. Is it something I did to you in high school?
High school? I'm so far beyond that. So far beyond you.
Please. I'll give you anything I have, man. Please. I'm begging you.
Tyler, you should be thanking me. I'm giving your worthless life some meaning.
Please, not please. No, no, no. Fuck! Fuck! God! My life!
I told you to stay quiet. Ruin that take and we're already behind as it is.
Don't hurt me anymore, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please stop. 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 No.
Yeah, I'm listening to it right now. God, man, how do you do it?
A good magician never reveals his secrets.
Yeah, well, you're the best damn magician I've ever worked with. Look, I've got another job for you. If you're feeling overworked, though, no pressure.
I would absolutely love to. You know what they say? When you love what you do, you never really work a day in your life.